Hello guys, this is C. C for sexy, and life will know me. For today's video, we will be going to have a challenge. We will just be going to ask them few things regarding language, dialect, and communication.
Bisik na bisik lang.
And let's start right away. But it's nag-scatter ka?
When? Hindi nga.
Nako'y vlog karon ba, and I would be needing to ask you some questions. Pwede na ba?
Okay lang. Language. Kabang language mo nang katong kanong ba istorya na to. Language. Dialect. Kana mo na imong native like una nimong na learn nga una nimong na learn nga like mother tongue nimo. Ang language kay mo na ang overall nga like mga more kadaghan na mo na kung understanding ra sad.
Last sentence. Mag-scatter na kasunod.
Scatter. Paano masabi? Language communication.
Daddy, chill.
Yang communication mo na ang pag-commute niyo, pag-communicate nimo sa isig kataho nimo. Ikaw, ako nakigstorya nimo. Mo na communication na, yung language kay kana kung gigamit nga para magkasinabtan na, diba?
Yeah.
Mana.
Thank you, Tito. Mara
sige
to.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, that's it for our video today, and I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and share. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.